Number 1, fork. I eat my dinner with a fork. Fork. Number 2, north. North is one of the directions on a compass. North. Number 3, horn. I heard a car horn in traffic. Horn. Number 4, storm. My dog was afraid of the storm and hid under the table. Storm. Number 5, sport. My favorite sport is basketball. Sport. Number 6, short. That is a short book we read in group today. Short. Number 7, porch. At my grandma's house, I like to sit on the porch and look for fireflies. Porch. Number 8, corn. I love to eat corn on the cob in the summer. Corn. Number 9, thorn. Be careful holding that rose. There is a thorn on the stem. Thorn. And number 10, born. Lincoln was born on June 13th. Born. Okay, let's review those words. Make sure you sounded out every single one. Number 1, fork. 2, north. 3, horn. 4, storm. 5, sport. 6, short. 7, porch. 8, corn. 9, thorn. And 10, born.